Sonos and Philips Hue Smart Light Integration, a new era for connected homes. Smart homes are becoming more immersive, intuitive, and personalized. The Sonos Philips Hue integration, launched globally in September, lets users control lighting via voice from Sonos devices, combining audio and lighting into a cohesive, private ecosystem. The cornerstone of this integration is the ability to control Philips Hue lighting with your voice through Sonos devices. Sonos speakers become central hubs for lighting moods. Users can create personalized ambiance, harmonizing music, sound, and light using simple voice commands. One of the standout benefits of the Sonos and Philips Hue integration is privacy. Sonos processes commands on-device, ensuring privacy and instant execution. This approach meets privacy concerns, offering users peace of mind with their smart homes. Sonos underscores that the integration reinforces their mission to offer simple, private, immersive smart home control, capturing two brands' collaborative spirit. The integration launches in September in the US, English and French, with global availability except China. Millions of Sonos and Hue users can immediately enjoy new features. Existing device owners get an instant upgrade, while new users have a compelling smart home option. The Sonos Philips Hue integration brings value to a wide range of users. Smart home enthusiasts can now unify their audio and lighting systems. Entertainment lovers will enjoy elevated experiences through synced sound and lighting. Privacy-conscious consumers appreciate the on-device processing, and new smart home users find setup simplified with an easy combination of sound and light. For newcomers to smart homes, choose a mic-enabled Sonos speaker for voice control. Install Philips Hue bulbs, light strips, or lamps, and connect them with the Hue Bridge. Link through the Sonos app for seamless voice command control of lighting and devices. At its core, the partnership between Sonos and Philips Hue represents more than convenience. It signifies a future where different smart home devices harmonize seamlessly to enrich user experiences by integrating immersive sound, smart lighting, and privacy-focused voice control.
Go to GearBrain for more information.